Hey guys, how you guys doing? My desk was doing something weird. Hold on. Look at my water bottles. Why do I need that many? All right, so let's bring that up a little bit. And then I bring this out like this. What is that on the floor? I gotta clean all these wires up. That's my next project. I think that's a good setting to have that on. Bam. I don't want to turn that on right now though. So yeah, I'm hanging out on Kick right now in my my friend Moth Vibes room. He called me the goat. I'm the goat. He's super cool. And I just met someone named Clover Rose. There's Moth Vibes. He's awesome. Just been kicking around doing some housework. Going in different chat rooms and just hanging out, enjoying the vibes while I'm cleaning. And I feel like I got a lot accomplished today. I cleaned the stairs, the carpets on the stair. I really want to just enforce people to take their shoes off downstairs. I want the carpet to stay clean, you know? Clean the bathroom. I did a lot today. And it's 2:45. I think I'm done. I might go to Sam's Club because I was actually thinking of grabbing a case of water and paper towels. I might take my daughter with me and we'll go browsing, see what we can find. Little snackies. Snacks? Scooby snacks? Scooby Dooby snacks? All right, I gotta go. Have a good Saturday, guys.